Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on natural gas. NYMEX natural gas price confirms surrendering to the negative pressures by crawling below $2 level previous week. The continued negative momentum coming by the major indicators will increase the efficiency of the bearish track to expect downside target till $1.50 and $1.35 on the medium-term basis. MCX natural gas price had given a negative close yesterday below the key resistance of 150 level, which support the continuation of the bearish trend for a downward target till 130 and 115 level in near term. The 20-day exponential moving average support the price from above, noting that 157 level is the key resistance on upside and break above will reactivate the bearish trend scenario. The price indicator MACD is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.